The competition in the heavy-duty truck segment is fierce, and the GMC Sierra stands out with its upscale offer compared to main rivals. Both the 2500 and 3500 models are available with the Duramax diesel engine, off-road features, and the luxury Denali Ultimate grades. With tons of customization options, the all-new 2025 GMC Sierra HD is set to wow everybody. Towing and hauling enhancements for 2025. Heavy-duty trucks are built to be workhorses, and performance drives up their sales. That is why we're seeing engineers pushing engines limits every year. The new 2025 GMC Sierra HD will be able to tow up to 40,000 pounds, but you'll need to build it properly. First of all, the diesel engine is required. Maximum towing is not available with a petrol setup. Only the 2025 Sierra 3500 is eligible for further upgrades that lead to the full capacity. Max trailering package, 3.42 rear axle ratio, heavy-duty suspension, dual rear wheel setup, and a gooseneck or fifth wheel hitch are the features that help the Sierra HD truck provide 40,000 pounds of towing capacity. There are also other options that'll help you with pulling such big trailers, such as integrated brake controller, enhanced cooling system, and towing cameras. The payload capacity also depends on the model you choose. The 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 can load 4,095 pounds, while the 3500 model increases it to 7,290 pounds. General Motors will have to do something about it since its main rivals are better in this segment. The Ford F-350 is limited to 8,000 pounds, while the Ram 3500 has a payload capacity of 7,680 pounds. The update of the 2025 model year will definitely make the Sierra HD more capable of hauling. Allison transmission makes the Duramax diesel even better. While oil burners face tough time all around the automotive industry, they seem untouchable for commercial trucks. Those rigs are required for the best performance and maximum capacities, and 3 American truck makers don't even think about discontinuation. Ford and Ram already axed diesels from the half-ton class. Well, petrol units can step in there, but where can you find a gasoline engine with 975 pound-feet of torque to replace the Duramax turbo diesel? A 6.6-liter V8 is upgraded for the new season, but it's still too far away from outputs that Cummins and Power Strokes deliver to Ram and Ford HD models. Both trucks have the high-output versions with 4-digit torque. General Motors manages to keep its trucks competitive even with lower outputs but high towing and hauling capacities. The 10-speed Allison transmission is a game-changer. The company introduced it a couple of years ago, and it was an instant success. Even Ford and Ram enthusiasts hope their favorite truck makers would adopt this gearbox. Well, Ram HD models are getting the new ZF Powerline shift system, while Blue Oval engineers also revised drivetrains for the Super Duty lineup. Gasoline engine is also an excellent choice. The 6.6-liter petrol unit debuted with the current generation of the pickup truck and enhanced its capabilities instantaneously. But whatever gas unit delivers to HD trucks, that won't be enough. The new V8 is good for 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. There are no hints that General Motors is working on upgrades, even with Ford launching a couple of new petrol mills for the Super Duty trucks. The Sierra HD is not afraid of Godzilla. Also, Stellantis could drop the Hemi engine from the heavy-duty lineup and leave the Cummins as the sole option. The Sierra 2500 and 3500 mate its 6.6-liter power plant to the same Allison transmission. However, this gearbox was designed to handle much higher torque, so the difference isn't that significant. If you're not after the maximum towing potential of the Duramax diesel, trucks with the V8 gas unit can be tuned to pull more than 22,000 pounds or at least 14,000 pounds in its base form. More equipment in 2025. It's very hard to count how many configurations the 2025 GMC Sierra HD truck is going to offer in total. You could easily find 100 setups, and that is only scratching the surface. We already mentioned some engine options, but the build starts with the cab and bed configuration. Regular cab is the entry-level configuration, and it is available only with a long bed, while double and crew cabins are also combined with a shorter standard box. As an upscale model compared to rivals, the Sierra HD offers more accessories and high-quality materials inside the cockpit. It also means a higher price. The base trim level is the Sierra HD Pro and lures buyers' attention with integrated steps, a pair of USB ports, and remote keyless entry. This is actually a working truck without too many posh options, so we're getting steel wheels. The infotainment system screen will be larger since a 7-incher is too small for such a big vehicle. Selecting the SLE package brings you a significant upgrade. Instead of steel, the truck is wearing 18-inch alloy wheels. A 13.4-inch screen looks much cooler than a smaller display, especially when the navigation is standard. Steering wheel features more controls, however the real highlight is the 6-way multi-pro tailgate that makes access to the bed and cargo management way easier. The SLE trim also packs an integrated brake trailer controller and cruise control system. The SLT opens the door to the world of luxury the Sierra HD can offer to its owners. We could call it a premium offer thanks to its leather seats with heating, USB ports in the back, memory settings to the 10-way power adjustable driver's bucket, and electronic variable steering assist feature. Backup camera with the HD hitch view is the highlight of this grade, as well as the 2-speed transfer case with automatic switch to the 4x4 drive. This is not all. The Sierra can offer even more. Denalis are the most luxurious trucks in the market. GMC fans say once you experience the Denali truck, you won't want anything else. Well, that's what to expect from a premium ride and a 6-digit price tag. There are 2 stages of luxury, Denali and Denali Ultimate. The first one brings advanced options such as unique 20-inch wheels, recovery hooks, chrome details, and OnStar Premium 3-year subscription. This package includes automatic crash response and other safety and security services, navigation updates, remote access through the phone app, and even concierge services for connecting with an advisor and booking travel arrangements. If this is not enough, the 2025 Sierra HD Denali Ultimate package can enhance the experience with 12-speaker Bose audio, 16-way power adjustable seats that feature a massage function, premium leather upholstery, and a power sunroof. AT4 and AT4X are trucks for any off-road challenge. The Denali trim excels in luxury but falls short in extreme off-road performance. While the truck will be capable of doing some tasks in rough terrain, but the real deal comes with the AT4 configurations. Like the Denali, there are 2 stages for the 4x4 setup. The list of features for the AT4 is pretty strong. Off-road suspension, hill descent control, BF Goodrich tires, and 360-degree camera are some of the options that will enhance the driving experience. The package also features some premium goodies such as ventilated seats, Bose sound system, and wireless charger. Spray-in bed liner keeps the cargo safe and protects the truck, as well as skid plates, while pro-grade trailering system and bed view camera are making towing and hauling easier. Of course, this in combination with the multi-pro tailgate. It's not easy to make the truck even more capable of tackling off-road challenges, but the Sierra HD AT4X will do it with the Multimatic DSSV dampers and retuned suspension geometry that enhance handling and overall articulation. Inside, the AT4X enhances the premium appeal with exclusive themes. Goodyear Territory MT off-road tires are replacing Goodrich rubber. How does the 2025 GMC Sierra HD stack up against rivals? The big 3 American truck makers are fighting in this arena. There aren't too many models available and their capabilities and offerings are similar. The 2025 GMC Sierra HD distinguishes itself with its upscale cabin, though rivals are increasingly delivering premium features on their higher trim levels. The performance makes the heavy-duty truck special, but the competition is responding to all the challenges. Most recently, the new Allison transmission shook the truck world, and we now see Ram upgrading its CF gearbox for the next season. They even made the Cummins build a new engine, which can be a big deal beyond 2025. The size and weight of the truck may not make it the best option for off-road adventures, but the AT4 and AT4X packages can significantly improve the performance. Rivals are the Ram HD with Power Wagon grade and Ford Super Duty with Tremor package, but the GMC packs its trucks with superior components. We could say the same for the Denali Ultimate model. Only the Ford F350 Limited can match its offering and price, and the Chevrolet Silverado HD is not considered a rival as it is often referred to as a GM twin. Prices. The base configuration of the 2025 GMC Sierra HD includes the 2500 model, regular cab with a long bed, petrol engine, and pro trim level. This truck will cost just under $50,000 with the delivery fee. Crew cab unlocks the full potential of the lineup. If you want to add a diesel engine, it'll cost you between $8,000 and $10,000 depending on the grade, while 4-wheel drive is available for $2,800. Heavily loaded, the Denali Ultimate package exceeds $100,000. AT4 and AT4X come with 4x4 drive, and if you opt for a diesel engine, the price can get pretty close to a 6-digit world. Thanks for watching and see you next time.